In this module, we're going to explore the Resonance Go interfacing with the Resonance Pro mobile app. So the first thing is, on the Resonance Go, we need to specify the email address of your Resonance Pro practitioner so they can get an email and be notified when the client of the Resonance Go has uploaded their voice and their image. So here, looking at the Resonance Go app, we are simply uploading the voice, and then we will be uploading an image. Once we've completed this on the Resonance Go app, the Resonance Pro practitioner or facilitator will receive an email that a voice and image has been uploaded and a remote analysis is now possible. As you can see, we're busy uploading an image now. We're selecting it from our library of different images that we have in our actual camera roll. Then we go ahead and we click on the upload image. When it says upload image successful, it means that we have uploaded the client's voice as well as the image on the Resonance Go. So now this information or data is on the server, and as we can see, still on the Resonance Go, we have the latest image and then their latest voice file that was uploaded to the server. So once that's been uploaded, your Resonance Pro practitioner receives an email, something similar to this, alerting them to the fact that a remote voice and image has been uploaded, and they can now begin with a remote assessment using the Resonance Pro app. So as you can see here, we launch the Resonance Pro. We enter in the client's name just as per normal. Click on the begin a new scan, enter in the client's details, their date of birth, their gender. So in other words, it's just a standard data entry function that you are doing. However, when we get to the actual image and the audio upload page, instead of actually recording the audio, here we would click on the button on the top that says Import Resonance Go Profile. We enter in your Resonance Go
My name is Ryan Williams, and
client's email address, and it automatically uploads the voice file, that voice wave file that was recorded in the Resonance Go mobile application. As you can see, that voice upload has now been successful, and we're now going to proceed to analyze the data points within the voice. And when we get to the image analysis, as you can see, we've automatically uploaded the respective image for this client. We're going to go ahead, begin with the analysis, click continue, and then we get to the system overview. And from here, you just conduct a typical normal analysis as you would. Nothing changes from the side. Thank you. So during the assessment process here, the objective is to be able to create a playlist for your Resonance Go client. And to do that, you will drag items into the main whole tray on the bottom. In other words, to activate the actual Resonance Go, to be able to email your Resonance Go client a playlist of energetic signatures and frequencies for them to play in the comfort of their own home, you would need to drag those items into the main whole tray. As you can see, I've already dragged the respective items here into the main whole tray, and those items I am now able to export as a playlist. As you can see, I go to the navigation, go to the accessories, click on Resonance Go client, I enter in their email address, and then that will automatically fire off an email that the client will receive. Within that email will contain a code. They go ahead and they enter in that code into the, as you can see, we have the code here. They will enter in that code into the Resonance Go, and that will download the playlist. Okay, now that we have exported the playlist to the Resonance Go client's email, they will receive an email that will look similar to this. It'll give them a code. That code they will use to enter into their Resonance Go mobile application, where it says import frequencies. They enter in the code, you click OK, and then it loads in the custom playlist that was created on the Resonance Go app. We click add them, and as you can see, we have now listed all of these items they are ready to be played or ready to be listened to within your Resonance Go app. You can drag one or two or any specific items by simply pressing on the item and dragging it down into the main hold tray. Another alternatively, you can just click on the add all items to the tray on the top, and it will just automatically add all of those items from that playlist into the tray. Under the navigation, you can activate a series of fractals. Those fractals will actually help with the visual healing process, and fractals are very powerful. They are very powerful healing mantras or sort of healing animations as well. And during this process, we can see we've now activated the fractals. So the fractals will now be displaying, and below the fractals, we will actually have the specific energetic frequencies and tones that was analyzed by the client using the Resonance Pro mobile application. So just going back to the main hold tray, we can go ahead and click on clear and remove all of those items again. We can go to your playlist, and if you want to rename a playlist, you can by all means do that as well. Maybe you want to rename it to something a bit easier to remember. You just go ahead and you click on the edit function and you proceed to name it to anything that may be easier for yourself. Bearing in mind, your playlist, it does expire after 7 days. The reason why it does expire is that typically after 7 days, you do need to get a new top-up. You need to do a new energetic analysis, just for the simple reason that the body is always changing. It's in a kind of constant state of flux. And as a result of that, we need to get a new top-up of different frequencies. And again, the body will get lazy if it listens to the same frequencies all the time. This is one of the great benefits about the Resonance Go app.